Welcome back. In this section, we are going to create dataset and index. So, I will first use create dataverse, market local shop. So, it will create a dataverse which is equivalent to database. So, here you can see query has been executed and my local shop has been created. So, now we will use it. So, here you can see query is executed successfully. Now we will create a local user type. It is like defining a schema. Make sure we are use metastore, market local shop, which is the dataverse, and after that we will write create statement. Create type, which is actually defining a schema for your table in short. So we are going to create the type. We have seen this create type in while creating dataset. So we will execute it. So here you can see execution is successful. The type has user ID, email, first name, last name, phone with country code and number. Everything in this type is string. So the data type which is used is string. So I will create a data set. So create dataset local user by using local user type. So here you can see we have created a type called local user type and we are specifying primary key as user ID. So let's execute it. So here you can see it gets completed. Sometimes you might face an issue with your browser. You might not see this execution. You just need to refresh your page. So now our data set has been created. Now we will insert records in it. So insert into local user with user ID as user 008, name as email as my email 01@gmail, name as James and last name as Bond with country code, and this is the number. Run it. So here you can see data has been inserted. Now we will retrieve the data. Select star from local users. So this is the representation of data. If you just click on the plus sign, you will see country code and number has been displayed. So this is how we create data set, and now we are going to create an index. Index can be something which is you can consider as in every textbook we have a first page as index. So this is the same representation. We are creating index named local user IDX on local user, which is the table name, and we are creating index on email ID. So this is how we will run the query. So here you can see index has been created. So this is the way we will create dataset and index in AsterixDB. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.